Hey folks, your OS Reviews. You're watching our video unboxing and first look at the Ivation Glow. This is a smart alarm clock that competes with the likes of the Philips wake up light because it slowly brightens up when you near a alarm time and it wakes you up and simulates the sun rising, but it actually has a few other features we haven't seen before. For one, the Ivation Glow is also a stereo Bluetooth speaker, so it can connect using Bluetooth 4.0 to any iOS, Windows, Android, or even a laptop computer to play back music. It also features an FM radio. The actual display is pretty cool. It's behind the speaker grills, which I think is a pretty cool feature to have. There's also an aluminum frame. In addition, the back features a USB port for charging a smartphone or a tablet when you're sleeping and resting. Other features on here, there is the ability to have some smart nature sounds playing back when you try to fall asleep, so that helps you, and it also has a very modern and interesting design to it. So taking a look at the box here, we have a pretty large presentation and a professional presentation. The top features the capacitive controls for turning on the light, adjusting the different modes that you can set this alarm to. The sides features all the different aspects that makes this particular alarm clock unique. You can set different times as well. Multiple alarms can be set. And the other side, we have basically the same information. I'm just going to pull this part out, and that will reveal the actual alarm clock on the inside. It says hello. If I set this off to the back over there, I'm just going to pull on this, and that's basically it as far as the box. It's very kind of interesting. It's a triangular box, and the actual alarm clock is presented right in the middle here. It says hello. That's also your quick start guide. And if I lift this up, you can see on the inside it has some instructions on how to set things up. You can get more detailed instructions from the manufacturer's website. It's not included in a paper form, however. Over here there is a box, so let's see if I can tug this one out. It seems like it's a little bit stuck. I'm going to try pulling out from the sides here. There we go. And on the inside, we have access to the AC adapter, which is actually a travel adapter. I can plug it into different nations, it looks like. And I have the adapter tips. This is the one I need for the US, and there's also the other ones for Europe as well as Asia. Let's put this in here at the very top. That's basically what it looks like. We also have access to an auxiliary cable, which is a flat ribbon wire to prevent any tangling, and it has a gold-plated connector as well if you don't want to use Bluetooth and you still want to listen to music using the Ivation Glow speakers. Taking a look at the cord length for the actual AC adapter, it seems to be decent. It's actually a little bit on the shorter side of the spectrum, so to set the actual Ivation Glow pretty close to a desk for this to actually to work, which is unfortunate. Otherwise, we have just the unit itself. So taking a look, there's actually some styrofoam wrap that I will remove from the sides and also from the very top. There's another one on the very bottom here. It has again, a very modern look. It actually feels well crafted in hand. It seems like it's going to withstand the test of time, so to speak. And this is an alarm clock that retails actually for around $300, so it's not cheap at all. Although at Amazon.com you can get it at a current straight price of $150. So it's a bit more competitive with the Philips Hue and some other wake-up lights that are a bit more fancy and add some smart functionalities as well. The top features a selection between different modes. Like right now we have the lamp mode turned on. You can turn it to lamp and music, just music without the lamp, and also the pure alarm mode or alarm off mode. And over here we have access to the power on off for the alarm with a check mark, I suppose, for setting up the time and date. There's also one for changing the light's intensity, one for music, one for setting up Bluetooth, and also one for the volume. It's capacitive, so it should be pretty sensitive. And the front, this is kind of where the display is actually at. It's kind of hidden. The Ivation logo is stamped onto the very side there. On the very back, you have the soft touch rubber material, which prevents the alarm from sliding around when you set it on a surface or a desk. There's also a switch on the side that you can tap on to manually turn the light on and off. And the other side features access to the AC adapter port. You also have the auxiliary cable port and also a USB port for charging your smartphone or tablet. And that's basically the design. So as far as the hardware is concerned, it definitely is very attractive. I'm going to try plugging this into the wall and see what effect I'm going to get. This goes into the back, and There we go. And after a brief setup with the time, we are ready to go. Something else I wanted to add is if you then unplug the unit from the wall and then plug it back in, so that simulates the experience of a power outage, the alarm clock actually remembers the time. It's not going to reset back to 12 o'clock. So that's another feature that distinguishes this from the Philips wake-up light, which actually resets the time. So that's an advantage for the Ivation Glow. Taking a look at the lamp, I'm just going to power that on the bottom. You can see it kind of transitions from the top to the bottom to the top there, so it creates a very cool glowing effect. I can also change the intensity quite easily on the very top as well. And so just a very quick, brief aesthetic look. Again, it's pretty fancy and modern looking. To learn more information about the Ivation Glow Smart Alarm Clock, be sure to watch our full video review and our written review, which is coming out in the coming week. Thanks for watching this video unboxing and first impressions video here at OS Reviews. This has been the Ivation Glow.